Hi sir, my name is Bharat Kumar. I am from Eibenstock Positron Elektrowerk Pvt. It is German-based company, but we are manufacturing in India, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. We are totally manufacturing specially in magnetic drill machines and concrete core cutting machines. In all over India, we are supplying since last 8 years. It is very good machine to us, and we are supplying to the all over India customers, Mega Engineering and Toshiba and Kirby, like that customers. In Hyderabad, starting last 8 to 10 years, we have started a business with our dealers. We are supplying the tools to our dealers. With the dealers only, we are supplying to the customers.